Welcome back to TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create videos with artificial intelligence into Canva. A really easy tutorial. So to get started, I'm going to leave you the link down below in the description so we can all get started and have an actual great deal here into Canva Pro for the next 30 days. Now the very first thing I wanted to do is to of course create my very first design. I'm going to choose the option that says videos. Here into videos, I'm going to go here for this create blank videos, and now I'm going to be having access to this section where I can start adding videos in here. So as you can see, this is my actual timeline. What I can see now, this one is the link of the duration of my video. So there's two ways of how we can do videos inside of Canva. The very most easy way is to just go here into the elements that which you'd like, of course, to add into your design. Let's say, for example, here that I go for something really easy. So let's go for Sue. I'm going to go for graphics. And here, as you can see, I have this element, right? So what I can do is to add much more elements and then later on to try to emulate those. So let's say, for example, that I go for sky. So here's in the sky background. I can choose this background. I can, of course, make this much more. Select the elements that I would like to animate. For example, this one. I choose the option that says animate, and I can create basic transitions here inside Canva. Now, this is one very easy and basic way how we can animate directly here into Canva. But if you want to focus with artificial intelligence to create your brand new video, let's say that I go for add page, and here instead of elements, let's go for applications. Inside of applications, I'm going to scroll all the way down and look out for Magic Media. Inside Magic Media, instead of going for images where we can describe what we like to create, let's go for videos. Now, take in mind that this is experimental new technology, so the scenes with people or animals might not look quite well. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using exactly the same stuff that I'm here. Let's go for the entrance of a zoo. So I go for generate a video. Try to be as much descriptive as you can to generate really great video tools. So meanwhile this process has been done, what I can do is to generate exactly an actual image, so you can use this technology and animate the image that you're actually focused on. So I'm gonna look out for Copilot. Here into Copilot, I can do exactly the same thing. Let's say create a zoo entrance at noon with a lot of trees. I'm gonna open once again a new page. And here into this new page, what I'm going to be doing here is to import the image that I have just downloaded. So I'm going to go here for my downloads. I choose my image and I import it directly in here. So this is the image that I would like to animate, right? So I'm going to just leave this in here. Let's go back. Let's go back into the applications. So here's my video. I select my generation of my video and I import it here. So as you can see, we do have the second version of my animation. Now what I'm going to be doing here is to go into the image and go into applications. Into apps, I'm going to look out for video section. And here into apps, if you typed video, I want to look out for an application that can emulate and animate my image. So I click into image animation, select an image to design. So here into the motion range, let's go for 10. The motion length should be only 4 seconds and 1 loop. So I generate this. So now I have the 3 different versions of my video. I have the version of the really easy tool using Canva. I have the another generation of the video generation only using text prompt. And lastly, my video from my image. So as you can see, I believe like the best animation we had so far is the image, since we know exactly what we wanted to animate. If you start from scratch, creating just a prompt, the actual application should be making his own interpretation, so you don't know what you're actually going to be expecting. So you can choose whether one of those elements to use in Canva. 3 of them were actually using Canva, guys. So there's a lot of elements that you can use, of course, out there. There's Sora, for example. Sora is an amazing place created by OpenAI that can help you generate videos from text, but this one has not been released yet. But if you want to check out more videos about, you can have the link down below in the description so you can stay aware when it comes out for the public. So with that being said, guys, I hand over to the very end of the video. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools of Canva and artificial intelligence elements. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully we can all see you next time.